In this video today, we're going to be talking about making $277 per day, starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if you're new here to this channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I want to talk about making $277 per day. Now, the reason why I've actually selected that particular number is most people that come online to do affiliate marketing or online marketing, their goal is to make six figures with their business. So if you take $277 and you times that by 365 days per year, that is going to be a little over $100,000 that you could generate with your online business. Now, what I really want you guys to focus in on is that particular number. So a lot of people come into this arena and they're like, have all these lofty goals of $20,000 a month and $30,000 a month, and you're just overwhelmed with that figure. So I like to really break it down to what can we actually achieve on a day-to-day basis that can get us to six figures a year. And that number is $277 per day. Now, the problem that a lot of people face when they come into this affiliate marketing world is they get sucked in by a lot of the gurus, a lot of the hype. And what happens is these gurus sell them these courses or they sell them these softwares, and they're never actually painted the whole entire picture, right? You get this software or this little gimmick that just doesn't work, and it's supposed to give you all this unlimited traffic, and it's supposed to flood your affiliate account with hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day, and you know that it doesn't work because you probably tried a lot of those things. What you really need to do in your online business is actually learn the fundamentals. I'm gonna say that again, guys, because I really want that to sink in. You have to learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So that means you need to learn how to do email marketing. That means you need to learn how to create a funnel. That means you need to learn how to drive traffic. You need to learn PPC and YouTube marketing and how to create a blog and how to start generating traffic that way. There's all of these little components that the gurus are doing and like other successful entrepreneurs are doing, but they're not teaching you all this stuff step by step by step. What they're selling you is a course that has a snapshot of this information or a software that is supposed to do something, but it never actually really works and does what it's supposed to do. And you're always left out, so to speak, in the code, and you're just kind of guessing, and then you just kind of move on to the next product or program, but you never actually learn the fundamentals. So what I want to do for you guys is I want you guys to join me. I want you guys to join me in this daily goal to generate $277 per day. How are we going to do it? We're going to be marketing a done-for-you sales funnel. Now, this done-for-you sales funnel is going to give you the ability to generate $277 a day. Now, you can actually make a lot more, but the goal is to make a minimum of $277 a day so that you can get to your six-figure goal. Now, in the link in the description, you're going to be able to get access to this actual done-for-you funnel. And what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to get access to the funnel, and then I want you to go through it step by step by step. Because not only are you going to be able to earn $277 a day plus, you're also going to be learning the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So regardless of what happens next month or next year or in 10 years, if you learn these fundamentals on like how to actually do email marketing, how to drive traffic, these are things that you're going to need regardless of what program or what product that you're promoting. But you never take the time to do that. And I really feel like if you really are serious about, really generating a long-lasting affiliate marketing business, you have to take the time to learn this stuff. You have to learn how to create a blog. You have to learn how to drive traffic. You have to learn how to do email marketing and set up your funnels. This is going to set you up for future success and a lot of money down the road, but you've got to take the time to do it. So I want you guys to have the opportunity to not only learn all of the fundamentals, but I want you to earn as you learn, because I don't want you to just do the work and figure this stuff out and not make any money. That's not the goal. The goal is the $277 per day. So what I want you guys to do is to check out the link in the description. And I want you to go through this program step by step by step by step, follow it. Right? And then we're going to be learning how to build our businesses, and you're going to be generating income at the same time. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I know this is a short video. I just wanted to kind of get some information out to you guys. I want you guys to get started taking some action, right? We're nearing the end of 2019. There's a lot of people that I still talk to that are on my email list or that are subscribers of mine, and they're still stuck. And they're still in the same place. And a lot of times when I actually talk to them, it's because they've never learned fundamental things. A lot of them still don't even understand how to use their autoresponder, or just even have the basics of copywriting to just type out a subject line and a simple email to promote whatever they're trying to sell. So what I really want you guys to do is I want you guys to learn the fundamentals, but I also want you to earn while you learn. And in the description below, in this funnel that you're gonna get access to, you're gonna be able to do that. It's a high converting funnel. You're gonna be able to make $277 a day. Plus, if you follow the steps and you implement it and take some action, you can do it. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.